Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to connect Mailchimp to WooCommerce, making your email marketing efforts much easier. We'll walk through the simple steps to integrate these two powerful platforms. This integration helps you automate customer data synchronization, allowing for highly targeted campaigns. By the end, you'll be ready to boost customer engagement and drive more sales with personalized communication, potentially earning $42 for every $1 invested in email marketing. The easiest way to connect Mailchimp and WooCommerce is by using the official Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New. Search for Mailchimp for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. This free plugin is designed to seamlessly bridge your store with Mailchimp, setting the foundation for powerful marketing automation. Once the plugin is active, it's time to connect your accounts. Go to the Mailchimp plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. You'll see a Connect Account button. Click it. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter your Mailchimp login details. After logging in, grant permission for the plugin to access your WooCommerce data. This initiates the crucial data synchronization, bringing over your customers, orders, and products. With your accounts connected and data syncing, you can now unlock Mailchimp's full potential. Set up automated emails, such as abandoned cart reminders, which can recover lost sales. Leverage customer purchase history to send personalized product recommendations, boosting repeat purchases. You can also segment your audience based on various factors, allowing for highly targeted campaigns. This integration provides valuable insights to refine your marketing strategy and grow your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.